You are going to love the 2023 ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.